Hello everybody. Actually, I'm looking for one way to make advertisement for my website to be not expensive because as you know that all the advertisement online now you need to pay money for to have advertisement for your website or your product or service even. So I'm thinking little bit how I can make this advertisement with the most cheap way. So I'm looking, I'm start to thinking. So I say why not to use what I have. Actually, I have one telephone and a laptop. So I will start. I make a video. I'm making a video now by my telephone, and I'm writing here on my laptop. I will write the email at the website name, which is www.bookingvision.com. Okay, and so it will showing here. This is my website, Booking Vision. Discover and book online Qatar tours and activities. I will push here like this. So it will direct us to the website page, home page. So here is the logo of the website. There is some food advices for the travelers, and here the hotel management training. There is some posts about the hotel management training. And here some, if you are from Asian countries and you like to make tickets for trains or buses, you will find it here. It is easy method also to make a booking. Here how to become partner with our website, and here you can find the blogs about what is the posts which we put already in our site. Here above you will find account if you like to make account in our site, and here is the currency. So we'll go down. Actually the website is containing some tours here in Qatar, which you will find mainly here in this part. Here's actually this is cars if you like to make a booking for cars, and if you like to make a booking for tours, and this for the hotel, which is with good and best prices, and here for the cheap flight tickets. You will find all here in the same platform. So I will go to the tours. Just here it will ask you for where you will go. So just you will push here like this. You will click here, it will show you the location. So you will choose here Qatar, and here the calendar will show in the front view. So you need to choose from the calendar actually here. So you will choose which day you need to make your tour. We are in April, so we will choose any day here. Let's say 17. Okay, and you'll make search like this, and it will show you. There is here subscriber. If you like to subscribe in our website, just you will add here your email address and here your first name, and you will make subscribe. So it will you will receive any advertisement from our site. And here it will show for you all the tours which we are providing. Let's start from above, from the first one. We are offering here Museum Islamic Art of Qatar, here the North Qatar tour, down you will find Sheikh Faisal Museum Shahaniya, also the Explore Dukhan City and the West Coast trip. Here Downey Discovery Tour, which is a safari tour. It's very nice one. I recommend this one too much for my friends, and a lot of them do it already. Here Inland Sea Safari, this one is full day. Here traditional doe cruise and down overnight desert camping, and you will find also down Safari Discovery Tour and Doha City Tour, which is sharing with some people or private as you like. So let's go to the first one to choose how we can make the booking on the site. So here you will choose this one. Let's say choose this one, the Museum of Islamic Art Qatar. I'll push here like this, so it will go direct to the page. Here the normally showing in the above right how many persons with you and who make the last booking for this tour. Here's the subscriber again if you like to subscribe. Here there is some photos of the tour will showing for you. Here yes, exactly, this is the Museum of Islamic Art Qatar, and here this is the map of the museum. So we'll go down. Here you will find the price, which is $178, as it is a private tour. The group of how many person and the location, for sure it's Qatar. You will go down little bit. You will find here overview for the tour. All the information about the tour you will find here. Here you will find the tips of the tour, where you will go. Okay, this is the museum, the museum itself, and Fanar Islamic Center, Grand Mosque of Abdul Wahab, and what's including the transportation for sure is including and some soft drinks and mineral water, English speaking tour guide. If you need another guide with another language, it's okay, also we can arrange it, no problem, but this will be with supplement. Some tours have including the lunch or the dinner in a local restaurant, and this tour actually is 4 hours. Starting time and the ending time also will showing in this tour highlights. So we need to go again to see the gallery. Here down, gallery of the tour, just also to see what we have, also what you will see in this tour. This is actually the gallery for the museum itself, and here again the price will show you the price, how much, and here is the request, how you make the request for the booking. Actually this is specific days, as in Tuesday the museum is closed, so you will choose any day, which here just you will push any day from these days. This day is closed already because this is a Tuesday, as I told you, but here is you can choose any day from these days. So let's say we can take 25, and we'll go down a little bit. You will find it written already in the here in the calendar, the departure date, which is the tour date. Okay, and you will choose how many person will be in the with you in the tour. So if you are one person, just you will write here one person, just like this, and you will add the others. You will put your name here and you will make book, so it will be direct to the form of the booking. Here just you will write your first name and last name, here the email address, and here the phone number. You need to write the correct phone number because we will contact with you as soon as we receive your booking. So this one of the important thing, just you need to be careful about the telephone number, as we will contact with you as soon as possible. Here you will find also on the right side which tour you choose already and how much. All the details you will find here. You will complete your booking with submitting a form here down. If you like to have any inquiry or request, you need to write here also. So it is easy, it is not difficult, it is very easy actually. And down you write these letters, just to confirm that you are human, it is not robot. And you will make a I have read this, and I mean that you will agree for the terms and conditions. Normally the normal terms and condition, if you like to have a look for it, for sure you will push here, you will click here, and it will show you what's inside like this. Just normal. Okay, actually we have also here on the right side one here down, right side down, you can open and you can chat online with us. We are whenever we are online, we will reply for you at the same time. This also to make it easy if you like to have any assist or help in our website. So we will be very grateful to help you. Sorry. So it is easy, and you can make the booking, and here down you will make, as I told you, you will click here and make submit. When you make submit, for sure it will be direct to the last page, which is if you write all the information correct, which is your name, your address, all these details, it will direct you to the thank you page. Thanks for your booking, and you will receive one email to your email address which you apply with. You will receive all the details of the booking, and this how to make the booking through our website, which is bookingvision.com. So thank you for your time. Also we appreciate your time that you see us. Thank you very much.